So student, in this lecture we want to discuss about cytochromes, right? If you think about the function of cytochrome, cytochrome are electron carrier, right? So just general take a features of cytochrome or general discussion of a cytochrome. Cytochrome are ferrous containing protein. These also contain heme group, that is they are also called as a heme protein, right? These cytochromes are present in animal. If they are present in animal, they are present in inner membrane of mitochondria, right? Cytochrome are present in animal, that is in inner layer of mitochondria, plays a function that glucose is converted into, that is oxidation of glucose is taking place so that it can liberate the energy in the human being, right? Almost in all plants cytochromes are present. If we think about cytochrome in a plant, they are present in almost all plants, right? They are present in chloroplast. If cytochromes are present in a plant, they are present in the chloroplast, right? Here they plays an important role in the during the photosynthesis. That means they plays vital role in the photosynthesis for electron carrier, right? As an electron carrier in the photosynthesis, right? They are also present, that is cytochromes are also present in a bacteria. They plays an important role there, electron carrier in various reactions, right? Okay. If again we think about the general features of cytochrome, these cytochrome are high molecular weight protein. Their molecular mass or molecular weight is too high. Okay, there are high molecular weight protein. Heme unit is present, right? Then ferrous atom is also present in the cytochrome, okay, and porphine ring is also present in the cytochrome, that means porphinated protein, right? This cytochrome is divided or classified in three criteria or in three classes. If you think about the classes or classification of a cytochrome, right? Which three classes? Cytochrome A, cytochrome B and cytochrome C, right? Okay. If you compare cytochrome A, cytochrome B and cytochrome C in various manner, first molecular mass or molecular weight, cytochrome A having near about 2 lakh molecular mass in Dalton unit, molecular weight in Dalton unit, right? Cytochrome B has molecular mass near about 25,000 Dalton unit and cytochrome C has molecular mass near about 10,000 Dalton unit, right? If you think about the reduction potential, if you compare the reduction potential in Holt, right? For cytochrome A, B and C, cytochrome A having reduction potential lowest, that is 0.04 Holt. Cytochrome B has reduction potential 0.26 Holt and cytochrome C has reduction potential near about 0.28 Holts, right? If you think about the reaction order, okay, of cytochrome A, B and C, cytochrome B react faster as compared to cytochrome C and then cytochrome A react. This is the reaction order of cytochrome A, B and C, right? Another class or another example, not a class, just take example, the important one, that is cytochrome P450, right? Cytochrome P450. Why this is called as cytochrome P450? Because this absorb at wavelength 450 nanometer, therefore it is called as cytochrome P450, right? It having molecular mass near about 50,000 Dalton unit, okay, 50,000 Dalton unit. This cytochrome P450 in various books it's found in various parts of human body. Generally it plays and function, that is toxic matter is converted into detoxic matter. Generally this is found in a liver, this is found in a kidney, okay, where particularly it is found in a kidney. Why? Because in kidney toxic matter is converted into less or detoxic matter, so that it is readily soluble in water and outside through outside to the body in the form of urine, right? That means insoluble matter, water insoluble matter is converted into water soluble matter, so that body can readily remove that particular toxic matter, okay, where in the form of soluble, okay, water soluble content. Generally suppose RH group is present, right? This RH react with the oxygen, this is insoluble in a water, okay. Electron carrier or in the electron are provided by the cytochrome P450, right? So that this RH undergo oxidation and converted into ROH. This ROH is water soluble, right? So that it readily thrown outside to the body, right? Again this RCHO aldehyde group undergo oxidation and converted into acid, okay. This is also water soluble quantity, okay. Suppose any olefin or alkene group is there, okay, it react in presence of oxygen, undergo oxidation purpose and epoxide is formed, right? Epoxide is formed, okay. So it is soluble in water and goes outside to the body, right? This is a general idea, or this is about the functions of cytochrome P450, right? If you think about the structure of cytochrome, okay, the structure of cytochrome, as I already told to you, ferrous atom is a present. This ferrous is coordinated to nitrogen, okay, 5-member ring of nitrogen, okay, porphine ring, okay. There are alternative single and double bonds are present, like this: double bond, single bond, 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 right? Double bond, single bond, double bond, single bond, double bond, single bond and double bond, right? Then this ferrous is coordinated with sulfur of cysteine group, right, and nitrogen of histidine, right? If you think about, and here various groups are attached, right? You can see the detailed structure, okay. If you need, I will provide you in the form of PDF, no any problem. Just give me comment or just give me message on our WhatsApp group, so that I will provide you, okay. If you think about the features of this structure, the ferrous atom which is present in this porphine ring, okay, this ferrous having oxidation state +3, this is low spin, okay, this is low spin. If you think about geometry of this structure, it is octahedral, right? Geometry is octahedral, okay. If you think about the coordination number of ferrous, coordination number of ferrous is 6, okay. How 6? 1, 2, 3, 4, that means 4 nitrogen atoms, right? Then one nitrogen atom of histidine, okay, 5, and one sulfur atom of cysteine group, right, 6. That means coordination number of this pairs is 6. Okay. If you think about the structure is planar whole and soul. Okay. This is planar structure, right. In the cytochrome P450, right, what are the changes? This is general structure of cytochrome, right. Now think about cytochrome P450. In the cytochrome P450, only changes is that this nitrogen, okay, is replaced by sulfur of cysteine group, while one water molecule is present, right. This is about the structure of cytochrome P450, right. If you think about the general features, okay, ferrous is in plus ferrous, okay. This ferrous is a coordination number of ferrous is same 6, only changes 4 nitrogen atoms same, 1 sulfur cysteine, and here only one water molecule, only changes in that, okay. If you think about the uses of this cytochrome used in oxidation and reduction reaction. No doubt cytochrome P450 is also used in oxidation and reduction reaction, right. How? Fe plus 2 undergo oxidation reduction simultaneously. If it undergo oxidation, it is converted into Fe plus 3, and this Fe plus 3 here oxidation, Fe plus 3 undergo reduction, it is converted into Fe plus 2, right. And cytochrome P450 is work as electron carrier during the oxidation and reduction reaction, right. If you think about the catalytical cycle, okay, this is important point actually. If you think about the catalytic one